Johnny on a rescue mission! It's a good day. Come on, buddy. Let's ride around the park. Hey, excavator, you are my buddy. I like your bucket and your arm. Hey, excavator, you are my buddy. You have 4 wheels that are strong. Hey, excavator, you are my buddy. Your horn goes kiki, that is loud. Are you having fun? Wow! Huh? Where did she go? Oh, my doll! You're stuck! Don't worry. Mama's here. Help! Help! Oh, Dolly? Hey, why are you crying? Oh, Johnny, she was playing with me, and then she got stuck. Oh, she's scared, and I don't know what to do. Don't worry, look, my digger is here. He will save her. Come on, little one. That's it. Thank you, Johnny. Your digger saved my baby. It's okay. Have a great day. Finished. So heavy. I can't do it. Uh-oh. How can I get this to my home? What happened, Bunny? See, my basket is broken. I don't think I can make pudding today. It's okay. Fill it in. I'll help you. Come on now. Let's get you home. Oh, I should give you something. You helped me. Oh no. Call me when your pudding is ready. Oh sure. You have done a good job. We will get yummy pudding today. Ow! It hurts. Oh no! I can't climb now. Hey little one, why are you walking like this? Oh Johnny, I was searching for my nuts. Then I stepped on a nail, and it hurt so much. Oh, hop on. I will lift you with my digger. Oh, thank you, Johnny. It was a great help. Here, take it as my gift. Oh, today was full of treats. You made my day, buddy.